Imagine waking up every morning to the perfect cup of espresso without leaving your house. This Breville Barista Touch Impress espresso machine promises to do just that, offering barista-quality coffee with convenience, precision, and style. Whether you're an espresso aficionado or someone new to coffee making, this machine combines modern technology and classic craftsmanship to create an unparalleled brewing experience. In this comprehensive review, we'll dive deep into the features, benefits, and why the Breville Barista Touch Impress might just be the perfect addition to your kitchen. By the end of this review, you'll know why this machine stands out in a market saturated with espresso makers. Your perfect coffee at your fingertips. At first glance, the Breville Barista Touch Impress seems like a standard espresso machine, but it offers something exceptional. Guided barista-level brewing with a user-friendly touchscreen. Imagine customizing your coffee with just a few taps, adjusting grind settings, temperature, and froth levels to perfection. Key features that make it stand out. 1. Step-by-step barista guidance. The Breville Barista Touch Impress takes the guesswork out of making great coffee. With its Impress Puck system, you're guided through the entire process from grinding to tamping and milk frothing. The real-time feedback ensures that you're always getting the right dose of coffee and consistent pressure for that perfect espresso shot. 2. Assisted tamping for consistency. Have you ever struggled to tamp your coffee puck evenly? This machine eliminates that concern with intelligent dosing and assisted tamping. It applies 22 pounds of tamping pressure, followed by a barista twist for a flawless finish. The best part? The machine auto-corrects for the next dose, ensuring precision every time. 3. ThermoJet heating system. No waiting, just brewing. One of the standout features is the ThermoJet heating system, which reaches the optimal extraction temperature in just 3 seconds. That's right, you can go from groggy to sipping a perfect espresso in less time than it takes to check your email. 4. Customized milk settings with auto mill key. Whether you're a fan of dairy or prefer alternative milk options like almond, soy, or oat, Breville has you covered. The Auto Mill Q system adjusts the air injection time and temperature based on your milk choice, ensuring creamy, silky microfoam. This foam isn't just for show. It enhances the flavor of your coffee and makes latte art a breeze. 5. Integrated Precision Burr Grinder. The integrated Baratza European Precision Burr Grinder comes with 30 grind settings, allowing you to control every aspect of your grind. Whether you prefer a fine grind for espresso or a coarser grind for drip coffee, this machine delivers the right amount of coffee on demand, preserving maximum flavor. Why wait in line for overpriced coffee when you can have a high-end coffee experience at home? With its automatic milk frothing, precise extraction, and touchscreen guidance, the Breville Barista Touch Impress replicates cafe-quality results effortlessly. What we love about the Breville Barista Touch Impress? The machine's versatility is truly unmatched. Whether you're in the mood for a classic espresso, a creamy cappuccino, or a frothy latte, the Breville Barista Touch Impress lets you make it all. It comes preloaded with 8 cafe-style drink presets, but you can also customize and save up to 8 of your own recipes. Available in sleek stainless steel, this machine doesn't just make great coffee, it also looks amazing on your countertop. Its modern design seamlessly integrates advanced technology without overwhelming the user. Even for coffee enthusiasts who are new to espresso machines, this device is incredibly user-friendly. The touchscreen interface is intuitive, guiding you through every step, and the cleaning process is simplified with automatic programs. Final verdict: is the Breville Barista Touch Impress worth it? The Breville Barista Touch Impress is more than just an espresso machine, it's a complete coffee-making experience. From the integrated burr grinder to the assisted tamping and customizable milk settings, this machine delivers the precision and customization that coffee enthusiasts crave. The ThermoJet heating system and touchscreen guidance make it convenient for busy mornings, while the Auto Mill Q system ensures perfect froth no matter your milk preference. If you've ever dreamed of becoming a home barista and want a machine that simplifies the process without sacrificing quality, the Breville Barista Touch Impress is a game changer. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.